The Bosch Router POF 1200 AE. Sold by Amazon. Introducing the Bosch Home and Garden Router POF 1200 AE, designed for precision and ease. This router boasts a powerful 1200-watt motor, ensuring efficient performance for various tasks. The on and off switch is conveniently located on the handle for easy access and control. With a power output of 650 watts, it delivers reliable and consistent results every time. The SDS system allows for quick and effortless insertion of the template guide. A vacuum adapter is included, ensuring a clean and dust-free working environment. The clamping lever provides secure and stable operation during use. Speed can be easily adjusted using the setting wheel, offering versatility for different materials. Column guides are equipped with protective rubber sleeves for added durability. Designed in a sleek pale green, it adds a touch of style to your toolkit. Packaged in a sturdy carton, it ensures safe and secure storage. Experience the perfect blend of power, precision, and convenience with the Bosch POF 1200 AE router. Rated 4.6 stars. Order today for £82.79.